Now we are going to discuss about inline elements in HTML. As you know that an inline element does not start on a new line and only takes up as much width as necessary. So here is a list of inline elements in HTML. You can see here is also available in many websites. I will also put links for this section in a description box. You can check it there. So I'm going to show you a document which there I have using some of inline elements. Like here, first one I use a tag, which is a reference link for referencing tag. Then this is represent basically hyperlinks, and so here I use another one. This is a sup element represent a superscript tag, and here is I am used em element, which is represent stress emphasis of its concern, and here I use a strong tag which emphasizes seriousness and some bold element. Here I used another inline element which is represent a bold text, and you can see here this is a some represent a deleted text, and there here is I used another one ins represent addition to that document. I'm going to show you how it look like in browser. You can see here is a reference tag to another page, and this one is a superscript tag, and this one is a subscript tag, and this is a emphasis tag, and this is strong tag, and this one is bold, and this one is a deleted. You can see all inline elements showing on a same line and how it look like in a documents and how it's behaving in a documents. It's occupying is a width which is necessary for their contents.